What's up guys and welcome to my channel, Flame4. In this issue 19 of Build a Terminator T-800, we are going to be assembling the head motor. So make sure you got all your pieces guys. You want 19-1, 19-2, 19-4, 19-6, 19-5 and 19-3. The first thing we're going to need to do is piece two bits together. So the first two bits that they want us to piece together are going to be the 19-2 into the 19-1. It says, note, in some of the steps we have used tweezers to grip the parts, but you don't have to do that, guys. So make sure you use your trusty screwdriver and put them together. You will need to use the 19-5 screws. The 19-5 screws are the longer ones of the ones that they do supply you. And once you put that together, you should have something that looks a little bit like this. So if yours is looking at this and is that way around, then you know that you're onto the right track. The next thing that you need to do after that, guys, is you will need to mount the motor 19-4 into 19-3, and that is held together by the other screws, and they are the 19-4. So they're the flat ones, so they've got a bit more of a flat head to them, and there's only 3 of them in the pack. So you will need to take your screwdriver and do that. I don't have a magnetic screwdriver, I only have like a normal one, but I tend to put the little magnets that I have left over from my DeLorean where I'll do my magnet mod onto the ends just to make it magnetized. Right, this is the position that you're going to want to have those two screws. So they are held in there either side like that. You want to make sure the cog is facing downwards and that the wire goes down opposite the cog there, like that. So that is how it should look. I know this one probably isn't like a hard one to put together, but you know, if you want to be careful how you're trying to piece things together and make sure you get them right, because it's going to be really crucial in assembling the head once it's complete. Right, after you've done that, guys, the next thing, well, actually, just before we move on, what you want to do, you want to make sure on here that that little rotation bit is all the way down and hitting the tab. So it does tell you in the book that you need to make sure that that tab is all the way around and then it's touching that little tiny tab that's sticking out. So that's kind of like setting the position that it's going to be in, because once it is moving, you don't want to have it so that it's in the way. You do need to piece together 19-3 and the 19-2 and 19-1, which is as one now, together using some of the other screws, the longer screws, which are they call them the PB screws, but we have got them in here under that they are the 19-5. So the ones that you've got more of want to go in there, and that's the position of them. So that's where them 3 go, and they go just in there like that. So it's looking really good, guys. So this is the motor now. So we have now got that assembled. So we've just assembled, the head motor. So that is going to move the jaw backwards and forwards, or up and down, should I say, and not backwards and forwards. And yeah, that's going to be quite a good unit. The only thing that worries me is that if we're going to install this without testing it, I'd like to test it first, but I don't see anywhere in here that it's going to tell us to do that. So let's just hope it works when it comes to it. When the time is right. But just flicking through the book, guys, just this information in here, observing the universe and stuff like that. And in the next issue, we're going to mount the assembled motor inside the Terminator Endoskeleton head. Can't wait to do that, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.